The length of the legs of an isosceles triangle is 4 meters more than its base. If the perimeter of the triangle is 44 meters, find the lengths of the sides of the triangle. So, isosceles triangle. So, pag sinabing isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. So, sabihin magkapareho yung dalawang side. And then, yung base, yung isa ay hindi. So, sabi dito, yung length ng legs, ito yung legs ng triangle, is 4 meters more than its base. So, ito yung base. Gawin natin siyang x. And then, yung sides niya is 4 more than its base. Ibig sabihin, x plus 4. So, 4 more than its base. And dahil isosceles triangle siya, so dalawang sides ay magkapareho. Ito x plus 4, ibig sabihin x plus 4 din dito sa kabila. So yan. So perimeter. So ang perimeter ay 44 meters. So i-add lang natin yung tatlong sides para makuha natin yung perimeter ng triangle. Okay, so perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. So, yung ating A, so yung X na lang. And then, yung B, X plus 4. At ang yung C ay X plus 4 pa rin. And then, yung perimeter is 44. So, pwede nating i-combine like terms muna. X, plus X, and then plus 4 plus 4. X plus X plus X, 3X. 4 plus 4, 8. So, transposition method. So, 44. So, yung positive 8, i-transpose sa kabila, magiging negative 8. Bring down 3x. So, 44 minus 8 equals 36. And division property over 3 over 3. X is equal to 36 divided by 3 is 12. Yeah. 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 1, 3. So, symmetric property, magiging x equals 12. So, yung value ng x ay 12. So, yung base natin ay x. Base equals x. Ibig sabihin, ang base natin ay 12 meters. And then, yung dalawang legs, x plus 4 lang naman yan. Leg 1, x plus 4. And leg 2, x plus 4. So, yung x natin ay 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. So, 16 meters dito rin sa kabila. So, ang dimension ang lengths ng ating isosceles triangle ay sulat natin dito, we have 16, 16, and 12. Okay, so ganun lang.